Okay, this is a video how to clean the floors in Bel-Ray. You get the solution ready. Usually is citrus chisel or stripper, diluted half the concentrate and half of water. Get a bucket, just plain water, and a mop. So you get this area, like 10 by 10, apply the solution in the floor that you're gonna be cleaning. Get the mop and dip it in the water a little bit. Spread the solution around with the mop, and as you see, start breaking down the dirt on the floor. Spread the solution with the mop, all on the floor. Be sure that, and you're gonna see the grease start breaking down. Then get the mop, dip it in the water enough, bring the mop, and then you go back and start picking up the water that you just put on the floor. And do the entire floor that way. That's it. And move to the other section of the floor.
Changing that dirty water out.
Nope, you don't need to change the water. You can do a whole room with one water.
Okay, thank you.